Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Lewe gaya niru one memu sekem Lewe mburo bigi one memu jigi jigi naru Lewe anya nuku gi one memu sekem Adamo metunu maka jigi jigi
Okaro bia di mma bia chitenu maka Obimo afurim di nanya Obasi di mma bia kurunu mo Ncheti fi na-ememu ọ na-ememu sekem Ncheta kisi atọlim ọ na-ememu digim digim Obasi mo afurim di nanya Nriwe ni cheta gị afa amachie mo Nlalubula ula akwụsị itumo Nna ọnụ ugbo ike agwụsị amo Ọbasi mo bịanụ n'ụbanụ mo
Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Lewe gaya niru ọ na-ememu sekem Lewe mkpụrụ obi gị ọ na-ememu jigi jigi narụ Lewe anya n'ukwu gị ọ na-ememu sekem Adamo metụrụ m aka jigi jigi Njewe nta na ncheta gị ọ na-ememu
I must confess, your beauty is beyond human comprehension. Tell me, Omalija, what is your name?
Is that how you do? Do you stop anyone you see on the road? I thought you were with someone when I passed.
No, please. We are talking about the living here and not the dead. And do not let her be a thing of concern to you. You see, from the moment I set my eyes on you, something tells me that you are going to be my future wife.
Obasi.
You know my name?
Yes. Go home. I will visit you.
You don't even know where I stay. How then can you come to my house?
Everything is possible. It's about to rain. Go home. I'll visit you.
I heard you discussing with someone. Who is that? A maiden entered this kingdom today. And she's evil. Evil. Yes. There are strange things about her that I can't lay my hands on. So, why is she here? That I'm yet to find out.
Are you supposed to be sweeping the compound?
Oh yes. Listen, I want to do the sweeping, keep the compound clean by myself, because I am expecting an important visitor.
Obase, the only visitor I know you would be expecting is Adane, of which I saw her almost crying.
Oh, my sister, listen, Adane is out of the picture. Oh yes, she is out of the picture. But don't bother your little brain. When she comes, you will see her.
Did you say she?
Oh yes. When she comes, you will see her.
But what will happen to Adane?
Where Adane? Eh?
Adane na?
Where Adane?
So what? Can Chebe no ye?
Ah, Chebe. Oh no.
Ne, Oguejiofor would not heed to our late mother's advice not to marry Ike. Other suitors are coming, but she snubs them, insisting it must be Ike.
Yeah. Hey, Umuaka. If I got the one you know, nani wefu, mota kililile no amamfria. She loved you so much. And that was why she gave you the advice not to marry Ike. Do you think your late mother would have told you to put your hand inside the fire? Or that possible? She would not ask you to do that. She must have had her reasons to tell you not to marry Ike. Even your sister here is not happy with the idea. So, Nwannem, please, don't make your mother to turn in her grave out of anger and sorrow because you are insisting on marrying Ike. No fair, please, do not marry Ike. Look for another young man and marry, and make your mother happy in her grave. And Mayo. Now promise me you will not marry Ike. Can I promise? Yeah. I'm all my promise so if this one is coming from the heart. Eh? So what do I offer you people to eat? I have okwa. Eh? And I have corn. Ube. Mobako yiba mamunko nocha. Eh?
Oh, don't worry. We're fine. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, ma'am. Can I see your money? Oh, greet everybody for me.
Yes, ma'am.
So, was he alone when the evil maiden took him? No. He was with his betrothed when she came, charmed him, and then took him away. This is not fair. How could such a person be living in this kingdom all this while and no one found out? Yes, I'm aware. And just like I told you before, she is powerful. And she has this power to make someone forget whenever they want to speak out. This is not right. Something must be done.
Grass cutter. How much will I pay you for you to kill it and bring it for me in my house?
Oh, okay, one. Oh, okay, one. You are the great son of Chidiebele.
That is me.
But I am sorry to disappoint you this time. It will not be possible. So I suggest you go back home and wait for important visitors with domestic meat and fish.
Obasi.
I am just telling you the truth, my friend. Listen, all the animals in the bush has gone for the annual meeting. And they will not be back until the next 8 market days. So you see, it will not be possible.
Well,
don't worry. Don't worry, my friend. You can start going now. You can start going. Don't go out. You can start going. Okay. That I'm waiting for my special visitor. And all these unimportant visitors are coming to disturb me, to distract me. Who ate the food? Nigga, you ate the food I prepared.
Oh, I did not touch the food.
Nigga, boom. Like, I thought you were my sister. So, nigga, you have to betray me. You betrayed me! Now, don't move an inch. If you move, I will chop off your head. Don't move an inch! Oh. And because that you did not eat my food, I would have chopped off your head! Now leave. Leave this place!
I'm hungry.
I said... Nigga, I said... Everything is in order. Hey! What would I have told my ancestors? No. I will not sleep again. I must sit and watch over this food. Sit and watch the food. No, I have to stand. Because if I stand, I will not sleep. Yes, I have to protect this food. My God. Oh yes, I need my God. I will. Kevin, where are you going to?
Obasi, are you the one asking me this question or am I dreaming?
No, you are not dreaming. Just go home. Go home. I will come see you later.
You lie. I am not going anywhere. I need an explanation. Tell me, who owns the food and fruits?
Oh, the food. Well, you will not understand. But just go home. Like I said, I promise to come to your house and tell you everything.
Obasi, I am not going anywhere, not until you tell me what is happening.
Please. You have to go back home. I promise you, I will tell you everything you want to hear. I will come to your house, I will tell you everything.
I still do not understand. Obasi, what is happening and what is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. Nothing is wrong with me and nothing is happening. Hey, see, one more step, make it.
No. What is wrong with your brother?
Thank the gods that you are here. After going out with him, he started behaving very strange. Talking about a certain visitor we have not seen.
Obasi really has to tell us what is wrong.
Jerry, please. I don't know how to beg you again. I have pleaded with you to go home. Please, I will come to your house. I will explain everything.
No. Are you okay?
Okay, I am okay.
No. We were together having good time. Suddenly, a goddess came passing and Obasi stopped and followed her, abandoning me there.
Just like that?
Yes. And that is why I have come to know what is wrong with him. And here he is, acting funny. What is wrong with him?
Nothing is wrong with me.
This is strange, oh. Very strange.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, just go. Go.
I should go?
Go, please.
Yalawa.
It's okay, since he has ordered me to go home. I have no other choice.
Yes.
I should go.
Yeah, go. I will see you later. And as you go, go well. May the gods lead you.
since your visitor is not coming,
Will you shut up? One more word from you, I will shut that your mouth up for you.
Oh, but I'm hungry.
Come on, leave this place. I'll go get back. New visitor. Hey. I don't let your imagine a carry. Hey.
Kita kwa otoy.
Dam.
Anani.
You're back. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
She don't seem happy.
Don't worry.
I just hope there's no problem.
No problem.
So, alright, let's continue.
Afurim di nanya Obasi di mumma bia kurinu mo Ncheti fi na-eme mu, ọ na-eme mu sekem Ncheta kisi atoli, ọ na-eme mu digim digim Obasi mo, afurim di nanya
Hey! Dikeh, what are you doing here? Dikeh, what are you doing here?
Who do you say you are waiting for? Eh? The sun is setting. Soon night will come. Yet we have not seen your special visitor. Very soon, this food will sour.
But she told me with assurance that she will be coming. What is happening? No. She cannot do this to me. She cannot.
Who told you? Who is she? Eh? Obasi, are you sure you have not invited a ghost into this compound?
Neka, she gave me the assurance that she knew my house, that she will be coming. Neka, what is happening? What is wrong?
Obasi, since morning, we have not eaten in this house. Yet you prepared a delicious meal for this unknown visitor. I'm hungry, I want to eat.
Isegini, don't say that again, please. You want to eat what?
Naguma, I want to eat.
Please, just Neka, calm down. You know my sister, calm down. Let's wait for her. A little bit.
Do you want me to die?
You will not die, but leave the food first. Just let the food be. Please. Maybe like that. Let me wait for her.
She's not coming.
She told me she's coming.
Adure! Who is running after you?
Adure, have you not heard?
Heard what?
The news is all over the kingdom. Obasi abandoned Adanne when they were having good times at the Love Garden.
Nkechi, tell me something.
The source said that he followed an unknown goddess.
Goddess?
I heard he waited for her all through yesterday with the food, fruits he prepared for her. But she did not come.
Nkechi. Does that mean Obasi had to wait all day for this maiden?
But she promised to visit him. He stopped people from entering their compound because of this same visitor.
Ha! Is she that important?
How would I know since he did not see her? I also heard that
his sister Nneka with his friends, that they ate all the fruits and food he kept for the unseen visitor. Hey. Nneka, I know what she can do. That sounds him right. Don't you think it's time they do something about Obasi? Obasi has to come back to his senses. So Obasi is getting out of hand. Here. You're right. Please, I'm hungry, eh? What do you have? As you can see, I'm sweeping. Madam, I've not cooked. You are not serious. I have to.
Madam, please. I am so ashamed of myself. I believe I was under a spell all this while. I can't even explain myself. I can't even give account of myself. Please, forgive me.
Obasi, you insulted me. How could you abandon me because of a maiden you do not know? I became an object of mockery before everyone in this kingdom. All thanks to you. Thank you very much. Leave this place.
Huh?
Obasi, please go.
My morning star. My shining armor. You are the love of my life. You know I cannot live without you. Please. Please. Please don't go. I said I'm sorry. It will never happen again. Please. Please.
Leave my leg.
Please.
Obasi, please leave my leg.
Adane, what is it?
Please, help me talk to her.
I'll talk to her.
You will?
Just go.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I'll talk to her. Another one between Obasi and Adane. Yeah. Nkechi, very soon I will change your name from Nkechi to New Stella. Okya, tell me, what news do you have this time? Can you believe that? Obasi, we all know, was begging Adane, we too know, to accept him back. And why would she accept? After insulting her in public. I think Obasi is under a spell. If I were in the shoes of Adane, I would act as if I'm no longer interested. Brother, you called me.
Oh yes, I called you Nneka. Nneka, you know that you are the only one I have. And at this point, you are the only one I can run to. Nneka, I'm frustrated. I need your help. Please, help me talk to Adane. Let her come back to me. The whole kingdom knows that I am in love with Adane. And you, my sister, you know that life is meaningless. My life is incomplete without Adane. I can't live without her. Please, help me talk to her to come back to me.
Now, you are begging Adane to come back to you. When you were busy disgracing her, the whole kingdom, you never knew it would result to this. My brother, let me tell you, if I, Nneka, your sister, were Adane, I would never listen to you.
Huh? Are you telling me Adane will not come back to me?
That is not what I'm saying, no. It's not what I'm saying. Anyway, I'll talk to her on your behalf. But if she does not listen to me, Then you calm down and look for another maiden. Or better still, follow the one you abandoned her for.
No, Adane is the only one my heart beats for. I don't need another, please. It's only Adane that I want. You must help me talk to her. Please.
Anyway, I'll try and talk to her. I'm doing something there. Let me continue with what I'm doing.
Hello. Thank you very much. Adane must. We will come back to you.
Adane, what you are doing to Obase is not good. It's not good. You need to see him. He's getting down by the day. I know he offended you. But now he has realized his mistakes.
I feel his pains. I know what he's passing through. Though I'm pretending not to listen to him. I understand. I do.
Try and listen to him, please. I believe he will not do it again. Yes. He will not. Oh? Adane. Ngoma. Atalugo. Obodo oyibo. Monolo mamoni.
I'll see him tomorrow.
Adamu. Vivian.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You have not eaten your food. What is wrong with you?
Nick, I wish to be left alone.
But why? Eh? You have to eat something.
You will not understand.
Understand what?
Well, for the food, I am not hungry. Neka, do you know that Adane has refused to accept me back? What have I done?
My brother, you are getting this all wrong. You are here killing and starving yourself while Adane is in her house, enjoying herself. Come and eat something. Please, eat your food. Or maybe she has decided to move on with her life and follow another man.
Shut up! Shut up! Listen and listen good. I can take every other thing from you, but talking bad about Adane is what I can never take from you. Have I made myself clear?
Yeah.
Now get inside. Get inside! I can't
Why you like this? Why are you so uncomfortable? Yes, I'm not comfortable. Why must I be comfortable? Don't you see that? See what? Hey! Why must these two lovebirds come out in public to show the people of this kingdom how stupid they are? Nkechi, they are not stupid. It's either you don't understand them or you're just being jealous. Me? Yes. Please, I'm not jealous. You are. I'm not jealous. You are. Ha! Yes, you are jealous. To me, I see nothing wrong with them. Those two are into a very serious relationship, and that's what you expect from them. Must they be in public? Must they come out in public? Nkechi, you better be happy for them.
Mama, I noticed that Ikem
is innocent of all the wrongs in the family. Besides, he was not there when the evil was done.
How do you know?
He said so. Mama, Ikem is a good man. He loves me so much and I love him too.
My daughter, Ike might be good and innocent. But the thing about evil is that once it enters a family, everyone partakes of it, irrespective of their innocence. I'm now acting like your mother, and I have to advise you wisely. Stay away from that man, so you don't end up in a marriage that you will regret. Besides, I wouldn't want to incur your mother's wrath from the grave. Please keep away from Ikem. Look, the gods would send you a better man. More handsome, more hardworking, and even wealthier than Ike. Now when did he? Makanulu adroni siazu.
Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Lewe gaya niru one memu sekem Lewe mburo bigi one memu jigi jigi naru Lewe anya nuku gi one memu sekem Adamo neturu maka jigi jigi Nje wenta na ncheta gone memu kanguru manya Adamu
Adanne Achalugum.
I love.
Why are you smiling while sleeping?
You saved me again in my dream.
Saved you? How are you? Don't understand.
Saved me this time from the hands of two young men that wanted to rape me. The gods are wise for making you mine.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, the gods are wise. Come on. Like I promised, I gave Nonye the bushmeat I promised you.
Oh, thank you.
I believe she's preparing it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I want to go check on my friend. I'll come back so that we can enjoy the bushmeat together.
I want to go with you.
No, don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. Hmm? Come on. I will be back before you know it.
Obi.
Oh, miss you.
I love you.
I love you too. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Come and stay with me.
I said I will be back.
Stay with me.
I will stay with you, but I have questions for you.
I guess this one. Okay, I guess my one.
Okay.
Stop peeping now. Did I peep your own?
Okay, I'm not peeping.
Yes.
This is what?
No. Yeah. I'll do it again, Let me see. I'll catch you this time.
Don't catch me.
Darling. Naya, please come. Imanandi Igbo to inu si na gara gara fele okobulala. When a particular thing becomes too much, it will spoil the rest. Ikeji's steady visit to this house will make you look so common to him. You are a woman, and you're supposed to carry yourself. You need to be respected and valued by men. Besides, we are in the farming season and he's a farmer, right? He is supposed to be busy now farming so as to make enough money that will sustain both of you when you live together as husband and wife. Or do you want to come running to me to ask for food when you are married?
No.
Good. Talk to him. Give him time when he should be coming to see you. Not every time. During midday he's here. At night he's here. In the morning he's here. No.
Thank you, Adanne. Thank you so much for the advice.
You're welcome. You know you're the only one I have. And I cannot sit and watch or see anything that will spoil your name and keep quiet. Oh, yeah. He's still around.
Yes.
Go and attend to him.
Thank you, Adanne.
It's alright. Make sure you listen to my advice.
Oh.
Welcome back.
Yes.
Okay, my turn now.
Yes. No.
My turn now. No, you started first now.
My turn.
Let me do. I do.
Don't look at me. Don't pay.
I guess this one.
Failed again.
Oh.
Failed.
Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Lewe gaya niru one memu sekem Lewe mburo bigi one memu jigi jigi naru Lewe anya nuku gi one memu sekem Adamo metunu maka jigi jigi Njewe ntana ncheta gone memu kanguru manya Adamo biakam kurugio Adamo biakam biturugi aka Adamo meturu maka jigi jigi Lewe gaya niru one memu sekemse Ncheta ochigi ada one memu pole pole naru Mwamamo Bianu sielu muni Adanne mo Bianu bielu mama
Okaro biadi mabia chitenu maka Obi mo afurim ginanya Obasidi mu mabia kurunu mo Ncheti fine memu one memu sekem Ncheta kisi atolim one memu digim digim Obasi mo afurim ginanya Nriwe ni chetagi afa amachie mo Nlalubula ula kusitumo Nnonubo ika agusiamo Obasi mo bianu nubanu mo Mokoma bianu jidenu maka Obasi mo Bianu kulunu mo Moke dimma Bianu bienu mama
It's so cold. Very, very cold. Very, very cold.
No!
Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Adamo Jim Jim Nlewe ganya niru ọ na-eme m sekem. Nlewe mkpụrụ obi gị ọ na-eme m jigi jigi n'arụ. Nlewe anya n'ukwu gị ọ na-eme m sekem sekem. Adamo mekuma aka jigi jigi. Njewe sana ncheta ọ na-eme m kanụmanya. Adamo
Can we just proceed?
You know, I never knew that Obasi is a foolish young man. So after kneeling down to that Adanne, he still covered his shame and still walked on the road, deceiving himself in the name of love. Eh? You are not saying anything. Why would you keep fighting those who does not even notice you? You need to understand that these two people are madly and deeply in love. And very soon, they'll be getting married. I hear. Getting married. Is that what you call love? If that is the only way you can prove to a woman that you love her, love bakwoko. Love bakwoko. I don't see that as love. I call it stupidity. It's weird. Stupidity. You call it stupidity because you've never had the experience. But I can vouch that people like you are the ones that will kill themselves because of love. Listen, that is the last thing I, Obina, will ever do in my life. Never. I'm a menandoma. Our prayer is for the gods to keep all of us alive. And I will remind you when the time comes. Our love, okay, make it from now. When you talk, Tata job for not going to now.
If anyone should tell me that Adanne accepted Obasi back, I would not believe. After all that Obasi did to her.
How do you know she has accepted him? I saw them on my way, playing as if they are children. Oh. Nkechi, is there something you are not telling me? Here. Why are you so concerned about these two people? Or do you want to take her place in Obasi's life? May the gods forbid.
Me, Nkechi, what does that poor hunter have?
Then I will advise you as my friend to stay on your own and stop envying them. Here, talk about something better.
The way you talk to me these days,
Me among I want to break up.
You never know how much I love you. Though I understand. But you should know that a day without you is just like living without food and water.
I know. I perfectly understand. But you should learn how to control it. Yes. It's also affecting me. Yes.
Alright. I will try and control it. But it was not like this the day when we started new. It wasn't like this.
I understand. I perfectly understand. But you should control it. Learn how to control it. Yes. Remember now we are in the farming season. So you should concentrate more on your farming work. So as to make a big fortune that will sustain us when we finally get married as husband and wife. I love you so much, Nkem. And there is nothing on this earth that will make me stop loving you. I love you.
Greetings, Obasi, the great hunter of Achala Kingdom.
Greetings, young maiden.
I've been looking for you, but for the few times I saw you, you were with that Adanne.
And why do you refer to her as that Adanne? Besides, what do you want from me?
Good. I think I have to leak this secret for you.
Secret?
Yes. Adanne has been seeing another man secretly in your absence. Yes. And I know that man very well.
Tell me, who are you and where are you from?
I am Oma, the daughter of Ugebenaja, a big livestock rearer, and my mother Ego, well known as Osodieme the trader.
So, you are one of the daughters of Osodieme?
Yes, the second daughter.
Well, thank you for this piece of information. May the gods keep you.
And you too. Thank you very much.
This world is indeed mysterious. Adanne, seeing another man? No. Why will Adanne see another man after all that I've done for her? After all the love I have shown to her?
Obas, who are you talking to?
Nega, do you believe that Adanne is seeing another man?
Who told you that?
You just forget about the source of information. All I'm saying is that Adanne is seeing another man. Another man.
My dear brother, the Adanne that I know would never do such a thing. And please, let me advise you. If you truly love a woman, never you listen to gossips. Okay?
Are you telling me, Neka, that Adanne is not seeing another man?
Obase, the Adanne that I know would never do it. And I'm still advising you, don't listen to what people are saying. Else, you will lose her. You will lose your relationship with her.
I am just confused.
Don't be confused, my brother. Forget about what people are saying. Okay? Adanne is not like that. She's a good girl. Yes, I know her very well. And I trust her. Okay. Don't worry. Let me go to the kitchen and...
Greetings, the great hunter of Achala Kingdom.
Greetings, Oma.
Hope you've seen what I told you.
Now, tell me, Ma, what concerns of yours in her behavior?
I am so much concerned about you. A great hunter and a nice, young, handsome man like you deserves a healthy relationship. Put your eyes in the water and see what I am telling you. Whatever Adanne can do to you, I, Oma, can do it even more better than her. I have so longed for you. And I know that the gods will bless our union. And even my parents wouldn't hesitate to give out your blood.
Enough! Enough! If you think you can separate me from Adanne, you are lying. Oh, I love her so much. Oh yes, I love her so much. And if your life is important to you, you better not let her see you anywhere around me, because she will steal life out of you. One more piece of advice. If you are sent here by anyone, you better return whatsoever they have given to you. Because I am not ready and can never hurt Adanne. I would rather have her hurt me. Let this be the last time you will come to me with such issue again. Go.
But...
Go!
My friend. Nkechi, you want bitter leaf? You know I love bitter leaf soup so much. I inherited it from my mom. Good daughter of the land.
Adure, have you seen Ikeji and Nonye together of recent?
And what do I have to trade with them?
I think they are no more together. I've not been seeing them.
My friend, when will you stop taking mercy for another person's sickness?
Adure, it is not like that. You know they have always been seen together.
But of recent,
I've seen Ikeji times, 4 good times, walking alone.
Does it mean they're separated? Concentrate on yourself and let them be. This is farm season. Ikeji is a farmer. Who knows? He might has been busy with his farm work. And I'll soon stop talking to you if you don't have good things to offer.
I've heard, my priestess.
If you want to eat in my house today, you better join me in preparing this soup. If not, you are not eating anything. Hey, please, don't insult me, oh! I'm not insulting you. Don't just insult me. I'm not insulting you. I'll help you because you're my friend. But eating in your house, take it aside, please. Don't help me now. Let's eat it. Put this thing on the top. Hurry up. Hurry up.
She's supposed to have been here before me.
You see what I've been telling you?
And what are you doing here?
My mission here is quite different from what I've been telling you and what I have to tell you now. Adanne has gone to see her secret lover. And you are here waiting for her. Please, Obasi, allow me to be the one to make you happy. Believe me, I can't.
Will you take your hands off me? And let me tell you, whatever you have to tell me is meaningless. But I know my Adanne. And I also know that she is a hard-working maiden. And probably she must be busy now working in one of their farmlands. I think I must go and see her at home.
Please, Obasi.
If not for the respect I have for women,
That was a nice one.
And now you've seen that he loves you. You don't have to make him angry. Because he's just a man amongst men. I mean, you're so lucky to have him as your man. Hmm?
And I wouldn't want to lose him.
That's good. And you will not lose him.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now that I know how much you love me, I will not hesitate to love you more. And I will not allow anything or anyone to come in between us.
How? Now tell me, is there anything that I have been doing or that I am still doing that is not good?
No. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Really?
Yes. Love him. You are the best among men. I have never seen any man like you. You are different, both in understanding and behavior. And for that, I love you even more.
Obasi!
You again?
Obasi, come with me.
No, Obasi, you are not going anywhere.
Obasi, I said come with me!
No, Obasi, please, don't go anywhere with her. Look at me. Let's go home. Please, I beg you, let's go home.
Obasi, come with me. Obasi, come with me. Why are people running away at the sight of us?
Well, that also gives me great concern. Why are they running?
I don't know. Let's keep going, don't mind them.
Oh yes, we should keep going. Yeah. Hey.
Kelechi, thanks to the gods you're here. You won't believe what I saw today. I saw Obasi with the same young goddess that took him away the other time. They were together. They were even talking and walking together on the same road. I quickly took to my heels. You run? No. I had to run for my life. Hey! Adane should not die because of that Obasi. But I thought that goddess disappeared from this kingdom long time ago. My sister, as I'm talking to you now, she's back. Hey! Hey! That means Obasi is in trouble. Oh. You are talking about Obasi. What about our friend Adane? Hey! The gods of our land should help us. He said...
You are really beautiful. And your skin, it glitters like a pure gold and shines like an ancient mirror of the river goddess. I must confess, I have never seen any maiden as beautiful as you are. Oh yes, I have never.
It is okay. I am sorry for promising to come last time. From now on, I will not miss being with you. Always.
Wow. Thank you very much.
What are you doing here with my brother? I want you to leave this compound this minute. Else, you will not forget what I will do to you in a hurry.
Neka! Neka, what is wrong with you? Calm down. Do you not know she is my special visitor?
Special visitor or not, I do not care. I want her to leave this compound. Huh? Yes! Leave! And never you come back till I'm gone. Run!
She is my only sister. She do not have anywhere to go to. Please.
Bring her back when I must have gone.
Thank you. Thank you, beautiful. You know, like I was saying, you are indeed very, very beautiful. Smile for me. Smile for me. Tell me, what do I offer you?
Uju, Nneka, who is after you? Uju, please calm down and talk to me. Who is after you? You're not dying. Please calm down and talk to me. What is it?
The goddess.
Which goddess?
The goddess.
Which goddess? What does she want?
As I got the information, I quickly ran back to the house to chase her away. But you can't believe what she did to me.
What did she do?
She ordered me to leave my house. Our own house and never to return again.
This is serious. How is your brother Obasi? Hope he's safe.
True. I don't know. I don't know what she's doing to my brother right now.
Just relax yourself. I believe Obasi is safe.
No, my brother is not safe.
But wait. Could she be the one Obasi prepared the food the other day?
Exactly, my friend.
Gods of her land.
She is the one.
Gods of her land.
She has charmed my brother.
It's true. I believe your brother is safe. Calm down.
My brother is not safe.
No, Nneka, come.
There is trouble in this kingdom. What is it? A strange maiden came and went away with Obasi and ordered his sister to leave the house. And as I speak to you now, the sister is nowhere to be found. That is not my job. I think you should meet the chief priest for a solution, because that is definitely not my job. I overheard your discussion. Why is the people of this kingdom taking this so lightly? If she kills the young man, will they be happy? I think the king will do something as soon as the news gets to him.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
I'm okay. I'm fine. No. Ikedi! Obim! Ikedi! Obim!
What is it?
Obim! The pretty goddess is here again.
She has taken Obasi away from my sister. Obasi's life is in danger. Okay.
Where are they now?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's okay, come here. Come here.
Just calm down. I've sent for Obinna, so very soon we will know what to do about it. Just calm down, okay?
Adani, calm down.
Alright?
Adani. Adani.
Where's she going to?
I don't know, Ikeji. I don't know. My sister's life is in danger, Ikeji. Ikeji.
I hope she's not going to Obasi's house, for it is dangerous. I got an information that the goddess is still there.
Ikeji. Ikeji, please do something. My sister's life is in danger. Ikeji, do something, please. Ikeji.
Okay, just calm down.
Obasi! Obasi! Obasi, tell me the truth. Are you under a spell again?
Do I look like someone who is under a spell? Please, just bring down your voice. You have to go.
Obasi, what is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. All I need you to do now is for you to go home. I will come meet you later.
It's me, Adanne.
Bring down your voice.
It's me, the love of your life.
I know it's you.
Obasi, why are you doing this to me?
You have to go, please.
Obasi, please.
Adanne, please. I will.
Leave here right now.
No. You are the one to leave here this minute.
How dare you talk to me in that manner?
And why won't I talk to you in that manner? Who are you? Obasi, tell her to leave here now, else I will do something she will regret. You think I'm afraid of you? Oh no, I am not afraid of you, you daughter of Chidiebele.
What happened to her? I let her on my way home. She was very weak, almost crawling. So I had to quickly rush her and help her out. Thank you, sir. God.
The worst has happened. What is it? Could you believe that Adanne went to Obasi's house to fight the goddess? Adanne,
Nkechi. Do you mean Adanne went as far as challenging the goddess? Is she not aware that the goddess is not human? Hey. Adanne better go back home and protect her life instead of fighting a battle she's lost already.
The Igwe and the elders should know what they do to this so-called goddess.
If not Adure, I smell danger. I smell danger. Hey! Adanne!
From a far land, a generation of a mother goddess. It is said that we do not have anything in common with mere mortals. For the power and pride to possess will remain with us. But I am a woman, full of emotions. Not even now that I have seen a handsome young man like you. Lie down.
Momo. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh.
No! 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 What is that? No! 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 No!
You're worried.
Draco, it is only a fool that his house will be on fire and he is busy chasing rats. I am worried about my brother, my only brother Obasi. I am worried about him and I am afraid going back to the house again.
My friend, I heard Adanne went to your house to challenge the goddess, but she taught her a big lesson and she fainted.
She did?
Yes, she did. It was Obina and Ikena that took her back home.
Hey! Hey! Obasi, it is all your fault. Obasi. Obasi. If anything happens to Adanne, her spirit will never forgive you. She will never forgive you.
I believe nothing will happen to Obasi and Adanne. Please forget about it. My friend, let's go and have some food.
I'm not hungry. I'm not.
They are all okay. Let's go and have some food.
What?
That is what I'm saying, young woman. That is what I'm saying. If she makes love to Obasi, Obasi will die. And she will gain entrance into this kingdom and continue from where she stopped.
Wise one, are you telling me that?
What are you telling? That is what the spirit is saying.